Good morning guys, welcome to the channel. I have a big announcement for this video. I think it's time to have a makeover. Now, yes, I'm talking about doing a makeover on the Jeep and the Hellcat. Got a bunch of new modifications that I've been kind of just thinking about. Some are subtle, some are a little bit more drastic. Now, these modifications, I'm gonna be bringing you guys along. I definitely wanna get your input on these modifications that I'm going to be doing. And I'm going to go ahead and create a specific video for the Jeep with some of the ideas that I have, and then there's going to be a separate video for the Hellcat. So for 2019, I want to go ahead and change the look of the vehicles. It's not just the look, like the Hellcat's going to be some performance modifications that, again, another separate video is going to be coming out just on that. I've already made a modification to the Jeep. As of right now, only one of my subscribers has actually caught what that modification is. If you know what that modification is, go ahead and mention it in the comments below. Just looking at the Jeep, you should be able to, it should be very obvious what that modification was. And like I said, let me know in the comments below and we'll go ahead and we'll talk about that modification. Also, to me, it was like the dumbest modification I've made to the Jeep. Now, another reason for this makeover is because one, well, I like my vehicles to kind of match. And in addition to these car/Jeep makeovers, part of the reason for it is because I'm already thinking about what the next vehicle is going to be. If things go according to plan with social media, subscribers keep coming in, I keep making more money, then I'm seriously considering purchasing another vehicle for the channel. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. That's going to be a surprise. What I can tell you is I would really like for this new vehicle to be a third vehicle on the channel, meaning we would still have the Rubicon and the Hellcat, and we're just adding a third vehicle and start kind of building like a little collection of cool cars, like my dream garage, I guess. And obviously I would want that third vehicle to kind of have the same theme and look as the existing two. As you can see, these two are already in granite crystal. The only unfortunate thing is that the new vehicle that I'm thinking about getting, I don't think they make it in a granite crystal. I gotta start doing a little bit more research on that vehicle and find a dealership that will hopefully hook it up with some great pricing, because I'm done with paying sticker price and all this. I need to find something that's gonna be below invoice. I don't care if I have to go out of state. If I have to go out of state, then I will. But for 2019, like I said, we're gonna have some pretty cool cars here on the channel. The Hellcat's gonna be making some stupid amount of power. We're gonna be calling that Project GT 500 Killer, or we could call it the Red Eye Hellcat Killer. Either way, it's probably gonna kill them both at the drag strip, no problems. As of right now, I haven't made the specific video for both vehicles, but if you have any suggestions, any ideas for either one of these, let me know also in the comments below. If it's your first time on the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video.